Hello everyone, welcome back to WS Spoken, your go-to place to level up your spoken English. Today we are diving into 15 advanced vocabulary words that will make you sound more fluent, more natural and more confident when you speak English. Let's jump right in. First, interviewing. Use it when something is really interesting and grabs your attention. For example, that documentary was truly intriguing. I couldn't stop watching it. Second, reluctant. This means being unwilling or hesitant to do something. Example, she was reluctant to speak in front of the class. Third, spontaneous. Something done naturally without planning. Example, we took a spontaneous road trip last weekend. It was so much fun. Fourth, emphasize. To give special importance to something. Example, I want to emphasize how important it is to practice daily. Fifth, ambiguous. Something that's unclear or has more than one meaning. Example, his answer was ambiguous. I'm not sure what he meant. 6. Resilient. Someone who bounces back quickly from difficulties. Example, children are incredibly resilient. They adapt so fast. 7th, articulate. A person who speaks clearly and effectively. Example, she is an articulate speaker. Everyone listens when she talks. 8th, dilemma. A situation where you have to choose between two tough opinions. Example, I'm in a dilemma. Should I take the job or go for higher studies? 9th, fascinated. Completely interested in something. Example, I was fascinated by how he solved the puzzle in seconds. 10th, tedious. Boring or repetitive. Example, filling out forms can be so tedious. 11th, generous. Willing to give or share. Example, he is a generous person, always helping others. 12th, persuasive. Good at convincing others. Example, she gave a persuasive speech that changed my opinion. 13. Authentic. Real, true, and genuine. Example, I prefer authentic food over fast food any day. 14th, versatile. Able to do many things well. Example, he is a versatile actor. He can play any role. And 15th, inevitable. Something that's bound to happen. Example, change is inevitable. We must learn to adapt. So, which word did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to practice using these words in your daily conversation. Subscribe to WS Spoken for more powerful lessons like this. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking English with confidence. Thanks for watching.